Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for this one. Today we are looking at the Shark SteamPickUp hard floor cleaner, model number SD200UK. This picks up debris, scrubs and sanitizes at once. It's not a vacuum cleaner, so if you have a lot of mess, you should vacuum before, in my opinion. As you can see on the box, it's letting us know it's designed for all sealed hard floors. Quick start guide here. We have a QR code here as well. Instructions on how to assemble, how to fill the water tank. Storage dock. You could put the pole in there. Once you've put the pole in the machine, there's a button at the back. You push that and you pull the handle up. The brush roll would sit here. This is what it looks like from the bottom. Moving on to the front of the machine, get two LED lights. Squeeze these tabs to release this cover. That's what the inside looks like. The steam will come from there. I don't know if you can pick this up on camera. This plastic strip here has some teeth there. That's to help with hair getting wrapped around the brush roll. To release the brush roll, we pull this tab up and we pull it out. You need to be careful because this is the motor there. You don't want to damage that. You can also take this tank out where you get all your dirt and stuff. The dirt would go in here and the liquid will go in the back here. You can wash the tank and the brush roller in warm water. The brush roller, it's not all soft. It's got some, I don't know what material that is. At the bottom we have two wheels, one wheel here. We've got a squeegee here. Let's put the tank back in its place. The roller brush would go back on one way. Put the cover back on. The water tank, we just pull this out. It makes that noise because it's in there firmly. So it's letting us know here we only use water in this. We don't use any detergent. Here it's letting us know if we get any error messages, what they will mean. Power on off button, 3 steam settings, low, medium and high. Information sticker at the back here if you're interested. Under the hook here, I don't know if you'll be able to see that. That's the button you need to push if you want to release the handle. The only assembly that's required, which is push the pole in. So you join me in my kitchen. I have some dry mess here, cornflakes. I have some juice there. And then I have some chili sauce there as well. Or for my friends in USA, hot sauce. I filled this up with cold tap water. It started to pulse. It started releasing steam, so we're good to go. When you put it in the upright position, it stops releasing steam. I must say it is really light. And please do bear in mind, this is not a vacuum cleaner. The tests I'm doing here is just to show you guys a demonstration. Ideally, if you had a lot of mess like this on the floor, cornflakes and stuff, you would vacuum that first with your normal vacuum cleaner. That's what Shark recommend. Let's tackle the juice now. I'm leaving it on level 2 for all the tests. It's picking them up in one pass. That is not bad at all. Let's go on to the sauce. So it's flashing red, it's letting me know that the container is full. I need to empty that. Once I have emptied the rubbish tank, I put the rubbish tank back, I put the cover back. I have half a tank left of water. I could continue cleaning. If the water does run out, I just top the water up. It will take a few seconds to heat up and then I could carry on cleaning. So my overall thoughts, I think it's a decent piece of kit. Sharks say this is not a vacuum cleaner. However, as you've seen in the video, it did manage to pick the cornflakes up and it picked the juice up as well. So I don't know how that exactly works, but it does work. If you have it on level 3, your floors will get wetter. Depends the type of flooring you have as well. It cleans really well, as you've seen. Majority of the mess it picks up in one pass. You don't have to keep going over and over again. Overall, I think it's a good product. Another quick thing to mention, if you are elderly or issues with your hands or arms, be careful with the tank, because when you remove the tank to fill it up, it does require a bit of force because it's in there firmly. The other thing, at the back there is a button there what you push to remove the pole for making storage easier. That is quite difficult. When you push that, you do really need to put force in to remove the pole. Again, if you've got any kinds of issues or if you're elderly, I'd leave that. Wouldn't bother removing that. It doesn't take up much room anyway. Apart from them two issues, I think everything else works fine. Do let me know if you have one of these and what you think. If you want to pick it up, check the link out in the description box below. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.